Hi and welcome to Ctek. I'm Tony Zeal, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you what the different operating LEDs mean on our MXS 3.8 battery charger and maintainer. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying Ctek. When the MXS 3.8 is powered up, the green power LED lights up along with an orange LED that corresponds to whichever mode the unit was in the last time it was switched off. If this is the first time you've used the charger, it'll be in small battery mode. After you've selected the right mode that matches your type of battery, the MXS 3.8 gets to work. When the first LED along the top lights up, the charger is using its desulfation program to safely remove harmful sulfate from your battery. When the second LED is lit, the MXS 3.8 is making sure your battery can actually take the charge to prevent it trying to charge a defective battery. The third LED shows that the regular charging program has started, and that uses the maximum current to charge your battery up to about 80% capacity. When the fourth LED lights up, the MXS 3.8 is using a lower current to get your battery safely up to 100% capacity. If your battery's been completely flat, your car can now be started when this LED lights up. The fifth LED shows that the MXS 3.8 is testing your battery to make sure it can hold the charge. One of the great things about the MXS 3.8 is that you can safely keep it connected to the battery for long periods of time, so your battery's always topped up. If you want to do that, keep everything connected and the green LED at step 6 will light up to keep the battery charged at maximum capacity. Now, like all Ctek battery chargers, the MXS 3.8 is extremely safe and reliable. It's short circuit proof, splash and dust proof, and if you accidentally touch the clamps together, it won't spark. But if the red error LED on the top left of the charger lights up, there are a few things you'll need to double check. Are the clamps on the right way round? Red on the positive terminal and black on the negative terminal, or to ground or earth? Is the battery you're charging a 12-volt battery? Has the charging process been interrupted? If it has, press the mode button to restart the charging process. If it's interrupted again, check which part of the charging process it stopped at. If the charging process has stopped at the first LED stage, it means your battery could be seriously sulfated. If it stops at the second LED stage, it means the battery won't accept the charge. If it stops at the fifth LED stage, it means the battery can't keep its charge. In all of these cases, the battery might need to be replaced. If you're still unsure, try the charger on a battery that you know is working to check the functionality of the charger. Well, that's just about everything you need to know about your MXS 3.8 battery charger and maintainer. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.